Hello people, today I am going to open this box. It's the Deenkee robotic vacuum cleaner DK700. I do have another robot here. Okay, but this one is a manual. It's called iLife. Don't really like it that much because it's been controlled by a remote. It's right here. And the Deenkee is totally different. It's something that we can remotely control from the cell phone through Alexa or Google Home. Okay, so we are going to open this box together and see what's inside, and let's talk about it. Let me set this up. A little higher, right there, maybe. Okay. All right. So let's open it up. See what's inside. Very excited about this. Okay, so here's the real box. Inside. Let's show it. There you go. There you have it. DK700. Okay, so it works with Wi-Fi. There's 4 different cleaning mode. So this is more advanced than my current robots. Okay, so super strong suction power. This 3-point cleaning system. So continue to open this bad boy out. Very excited about this one. Here it is. It's very carefully packaged, which is good. Right here is the manual. We're gonna open it up and see what's in here. Thank you, car. Pretty cool. Okay, so on the side, so here's the robot itself. Okay. Let's open it up. And here's the overview of the bottom. See it? I really like this teal color. I wish they had that teal color somewhere on here. Oh. Okay. Alright. So you can use the remote if you want. But I'll probably going to use it on my cell phone. Okay, so here's the charging base station. Here's the charging adapter. Here's a brush and cleaning tools. Okay, so I guess this blade right here, that's you can cut the hair that got stuck, between the wheels. That's pretty cool. And here's the brushes, I guess. Let's go around. That's 4 pieces. So they're all labeled, okay? The one with orange, yellow in the middle is right, the white is left. And they're all labeled here, right and left. Very simple to install, just push it in and that was it, right there. Very simple to use. And this is the tray where you can pull the dust out. So right here, this is what it looks like. Okay, so right here, very convenient. There's a clip here that you can hold it and pull it out. Okay, so I show you right there how to take it out, clean it, and then put the filter in there. So there's one filter in here already, so I'm not gonna take it out. But there's an extra one right here. Alright, so let's turn it on. Do I have to turn? Oh yeah, there's a switch on the side here. As you can see.
Welcome to use Deenkee Robot.
So it's turned on. So it's ready to connect to the application. So let me pause for a second, I'll come back. So currently I have my Deenkee charging right now, but we still can test it out. I have Wi-Fi enabled, and I follow the instruction in the application in the menu book to get it connected. It was fairly easy. It took me like 5 minutes to set it up, install registrations and all that, and add it to Alexa. So Alexa is you would have to go through and add the skills, and then in the skill search box you can just type in WeBack and it will show you the skill in the list. Just add it and then follow the instruction to finish it off. So right now I have Alexa enabled. We will test that out, but setup was quite easy because you can, I really like the way that they put all the scan or the QR code here, so in case if you don't have the manual book or you lost it or something, and you can just go right back here and scan it. You get the application installed on your new phone or whatnot. Scan this to from the WeBack application. It's added in, very easy. Okay, I really like this wheel, and guys, this robot can do mopping too, so its potential is crazy. It does a lot of things for $200. Wow, I don't have to like buy myself a Roomba or anything. This will work just fine. Okay, so let's test it out and see.
Smart cleaning mode.
So right now it's in a smart cleaning mode. Let's just let it run. Okay. It's kind of stuck right there because I have a big gap right here. So I wonder if this is gonna get itself out. It did. Okay, so while it's doing its thing, and here the instruction, that you can ask Alexa, okay, to do a lot of things. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alexa, ask my robot to stop cleaning. Alexa, ask my robot to stop cleaning.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Okay, so maybe the skill wasn't set up correctly or something. I'll have to take a look at it. Because right here, let's say Alexa, ask robot to stop cleaning. Alexa, ask robot to stop cleaning.
Okay, here's our robot now. To use it, you will need to go to the Alexa app to use your account and complete setup.
Maybe I did not completely set it up. So right now it's underneath there, doing this thing. Probably got stuck right there. Let me see if it's gonna get itself out. Okay, so let me pause for a second. I'll come back. I'll try to set it up, completely set it up with Alexa. Okay, so I did not set up my robot in my Amazon, even though I added it. So Alexa was able to find it, but because the robot wasn't set up, so that's why it wasn't working. Sorry about that. So I went back, I add the device, and then I follow the instruction, enable it, and then Alexa told me to go and set it up. So I went through the setup. Okay, and right here when it say something like on the menu right here, you won't be able to say anything like this until you add more skills to it. Okay, so right now it's just on and off basic functionality. So let me test it out. I have Alexa enabled. So Alexa, turn on the robot. See that?
Smart cleaning mode.
So that's a smart cleaning mode. Just kicked in. There you go. So it's already cleaned my room, like maybe half of my room. But I'll let you see a little more. So it was able to get out there, and that was good. So right now it's underneath the table. Let me get this out of the way. So it did not go over the edge right here. This is kind of like very tall for a robot. So right now it's zigzagging, cleaning. Very happy with it so far because it's really smart and it does what it's supposed to be doing. It knows how to get out, places. So first it got stuck right here and then it get itself out, and then it got stuck underneath there. See, it was able to get out. Right now it's continue to clean. Alright, so I'm gonna ask Alexa to turn it off. Alexa, turn off the robot.
Recharging mode.
Okay, so right now is gonna go back to its base. Just want you to see that it's working, everything is working, looking good, cleaning good. Okay, so it's bummed something and it's back out. So let's try to go back to this corner. I'm not gonna set my robot here, but it's because it's more convenient to do video like this. So right there, there's no problem. So this is the
Charging
second.
start.
So this is the second time it's going back to its base and no issues at all. Okay, so there you have it. Well, let's see how much dust did it clean. My house is very clean though. Probably not gonna find a lot of dust, but well, check it out. There you go. This is 5-10 minutes cleaning, and I just cleaned my house the other day. That's very impressive. I keep my house really clean, and I still find dust. See how much it's collect right here, the filters. This is awesome robot, guys. For $200, man, you can't beat it. I don't think anybody can beat it. $200 with smart skill enabled, with Alexa, with Google Home, and it does mopping as well. Wow, this is a steal. It is a steal. All right.